Howdy, y'all. This is just a quickie video. Hopefully. This is, what is this? 2 pounds of beef and pork ground up. I'm going to saute it. Then I'm going to toss in the Trinity: onion, celery, green bell pepper. And, they're going to go right here into the Emeril cooker. All in one. Saute. Then I'm going to throw other stuff in. And we're going to have chili. Yay! And you see it's getting brown. It's getting brown. It's getting brown. Let's throw in the Trinity. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, we're sauteed and drained. So I'm going to add some beans. Undrained. And some more beans. I like a mix, so this is kidney and pinto. And wait, there's more. This is some diced tomatoes. Excuse my bandaged up thumb. I was using a chopper make my salad earlier, chop up my salad because I like a chopped salad, and my big thumb got in the way. So, crushed tomatoes. Anyway, remember, safety first. So, we're going to add some water. There's a little bit of room for water still. And hold on. We're going to add some spices. Got to have the chili seasoning. And I like Shelby's, but I grabbed this, but I'm going to add all this other stuff too. Even the better than bouillon. And if I think of anything else, I'll throw it in. In fact, is it garlic? Oh, there's my garlic. Okay, I got garlic. We're good to go. I'm going to throw it all in there, in here with the water, and cook it to, or set it to seal up, and probably pressure cook it for about 20 minutes or so. And we're going to have some really good chili. So that's what's cooking. Hopefully it'll come out. I haven't cooked much except salad lately, and you know what you never get cut on? Donuts. Screw you, salads. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Okay, y'all, let's take a look. Let's look at that. Okay, maybe I should let the steam roll away. Huh? Not bad, huh? Yes, no? Yes. It's delicious. Okay, I'm hungry now. You're on your own. I'm gonna have some homemade chili. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day. Bye!